Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good afternoon, everyone. Let me introduce myself first. My name is Yordan Fatahilah, and my study ID number is 13086 2023. On this occasion, I will present about water. So now, I will explain to you about the table contents of my presentation. First, I'd like explain what is water. Second, I'd like explain the characteristic of water. Third, explain where can we get water. Fourth, explain about why do we need water. Fifth, you will know the conclusion apart this presentation. And sixth, and the last, it will be questions and answer at the last. First, let me start about what is water. Water is made of tiny molecules, hydrogens and oxygens. Each one is so small that you can see it even with most powerful microscopes. Pure water has no color, no taste, and doesn't smell of anything. Water exists in three common forms on the earth, such as: first, solids. For the example, ice, hail, snow, or frost. Second, liquid. For the example, in lakes, oceans, rain, dew, fog, or mist. And last, gas. For the example, steam or water vapor, invisible water in the earth. Next, I'd like about characteristic of water. Characteristic of water. First is cohesion and adhesion. Second, water is polar. Third, water is universal solvent. In the body of living things, water is needed to conduct electrolysis. Next, water has capillary properties. Then, water, the molecular solid forms is less frequent because the molecules are stretched. And then, heat and temperature. Last, water has the property to cool when it evaporates, and there are bonds that break. Next, I'd like about where can we get water. About 97% of the water on the Earth surface is in the world's ocean. Where is about the 3% of that? This is where you can find most the other 3% in the lakes, rivers, rain, clouds, and clouds. Next, I'd like about why do we need water? First, to carry nutrients and waste in the body. Second, to lubricate joints, digestive tracts, and body tissues. Third, to cool the body, especially during periods of physical activity. Fourth, to stay hydrated. Fifth, to be used in factories, agriculture, hospitals, hotels. Next, conclusion. It can be concluded that water is made of tiny molecules, hydrogens and oxygens. Each one is so small that you can see it even with most powerful microscopes. Pure water has no color, no taste, and doesn't smell of anything water. Also important for us because most people is need about 6 until 8 glass of water each day. In inadequate fluid can intake can lead to constipation and dehydration. Because of that, water is very important things for our body. And finally, this is end of this is the end of my presentation. But before I close my presentation, is there any question for me? Thanks for the question. I will try to answer your question after this. At least I would like to say thank you for your listening and have a good day everyone. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.